Oh hey, welcome. Yeah, that's me, looking like a dork with all my stuff on. I'm getting ready to head out for a quick trip down the Siletz River. Possibly hit the bay. We'll see. Looking for some fun, sun, and possibly some knowledge. So come on and join me. So the first stop here is just across the river. It's the Siletz River. It's got about 67 miles worth of waterway, and it only starts about 20 miles away. But the whole area, it's about 373 square miles of water that dumps into this river. Pretty awesome. Look at these cool old pillars. In 1896, Daniel John Kern started a salmon cannery just right up the river here. They did pretty good till the 1920s when the salmon run was way diminished. And they started falling off, and then in 1936, it was completely banned to use nets for fishing off this portion of the river. So they really didn't have much going on, but then, the World War I started, and so they used all the Sitka spruce. It was lush through here, and they used it because it's light and it's strong for their airplanes. So that was used for World War I. I don't know, it's going to be really close. My head's kind of tall on this thing. I don't know, might be close. Awesome little tunnel. Okay, I say screw it, let's go. I think so, I think my head's low enough. We'll find out in a minute. This is too much fun not to do it. Yeah. Awesome. Nice. And there you go. If you would take, you must first give. For this is the beginning of intelligence. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Well, I'm pretty tired. Think I'll go home now. Thanks for being such good company. Please join me again. See you next time.